Hi, my name's Juliet and today I'm talking about keywords in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Scrivener gives you the opportunity to attach different keywords to your chapters and scenes, and this can be found in the inspector under Custom Metadata. You can just add and delete keywords using the plus and minus in the column as you go along for each scene or chapter. But click on the three dots and you can open up the Show Project Keywords window. This window allows you to standardize your keywords and give them a hierarchical structure, so you can have a main topic and subtopics. Let's start. You'll notice what I entered in the inspector is listed here already. Let's assume that we want to categorize our manuscript by something really silly like a happiness scale. Click on the plus-minus symbol on the far left bottom corner and you'll be able to add, rename and colour code your keywords. Within each of these categories, we can have subcategories. These work in the same way as the binder. You need to have the master category selected to get a subcategory appear in the right place. To delete a category, just click on it and press the minus. To apply keywords, you can drag them onto the inspector, the corkboard or the binder from here, and they appear in the list. As we've already seen, adding keywords directly in the inspector adds keywords to the master list, but deleting them in the inspector only deletes them from that scene or chapter file. Why would you even want these, you ask? Select Keyword Colours from the View menu. They appear as what are called keyword chips. A more sensible use for them might be to show what plot elements are in a particular scene. But you don't have to be a plotter to use this. It could be a visual way to assess your manuscript after having written it, because every text document and every chapter has its own index card, whether you've used it or not. How might you use this feature? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.